it's Jovie here. Today we're showing you how to make a Shirley Temple. We have ice cubes, cherry juice, pop, cherries, and of course a straw and a cup. So first we're going to put in the ice cubes. Make sure not to fill too high. Then you're going to put in all the cherry juice. We need more cherry juice. Here we do. And then you're going to put it in the pop. Then you're going to put in the cherries. Now, taste time. Yummy. So good. This is how you make a Shirley Temple. Subscribe to my channel. Bye.